Hi, today I'm making beef stuffed shells. This recipe uses about 1.25 pounds of ground beef. I use a package of Lipton onion soup mix. It's the beef Lipton onion soup mix. I can say that. I add a quarter cup of chopped basil, a quarter cup of red onions. I took one of my small zucchini and I chopped it into tiny squares, so really finely. Next, I'm going to prepare my water. I added rosemary oil to this water and a teaspoon of salt as normal. 2 cups of jumbo shells, and I boil them in the water. And once they're done, I drained them in my colander and set them aside. Next, I'm taking my beef mixture of zucchini, basil, onion, and beef and actually stuffing the shells. And I just arranged them in a Pyrex dish like so, close together. I use Prego chunky tomato sauce. I like the onion, garlic, and tomato. And that's just one of my favorites. And I just pour the sauce straight from the jar over the shells. Next, I'm adding feta cheese. There's something about the feta cheese and basil that seems to make this a really great recipe. And so I'm covering it with feta cheese. It bakes for about 15 minutes and you're all set for a weeknight dinner.